How to make an NFT Discord server. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create an NFT Discord server. So let's get started. When it comes to NFTs and creating an NFT collection on OpenSea, on Rarible, or any other platform, we also require a Discord community. Discord community is an important part of NFTs, and what we can do is we can grow our NFT collection or a project with Discord. Every NFT project has its own Discord server, such as CryptoPunks. Then we have FolksFam, Cool Cats, World of Women, and you can see I have joined a lot of NFT servers here. Today I will be showing you how to create your own Discord server for your NFT project. So let's get into it. First of all, you will just open up Discord and discord.com and you will land right here. In order to create a brand new server, you can just go all the way down to the servers that you have. So once you get to the bottom right here, you will get this plus button which says add a server. So I'm going to click on it. And now we have to select what kind of server we are creating, if it's a gaming, school club, study group, or my own. So you can go with any community as well. So scroll down, we have friends, local community. So I'm going to go with a local community right here for my server because it's not a very big project, but also even if it's a big project, you can go for a club or community because the kind of Discord servers we create for NFTs are going to be club or community. So I'm going to select this one. So we have to give our server a name. Make sure that you have the same name of your Discord server that you have for your project that you have. Now we will add the name for our server and make sure it's the same name that you have for your collection. So I'm going to call it Bitcoins because that's what my collection is called, and I'm going to click on upload. Once you click on upload, that means that we can upload an image. So I'm just going to go to the downloads. So you will upload any image. I have uploaded an NFT right here. Click on create and your new server will be created on Discord. So here we have our own new server. You can see it says Bitcoin. So first of all, we need to create different channels within a server. And when it comes to a NFT community on Discord, let's get some examples as well. So if I open up this one, you can see there is a verification step in most of these NFT servers. And then we have some servers with no verification, and then there are like different announcement channels. Then there is a verification channel. Okay, let's get some more example. What I like to do is I actually get more like inspirations from different NFT servers so that we can create a good server for our new collection that we have. So I'll just go to my server. All right, so we have welcome and rules. This one is important for a NFT Discord server. Then we have announcement and resources. Now if you do not want resources, then you can get rid of this one. Then we have text channel, general, meeting plans, off topic. So I'm okay with general in text, but we want to create more. So I'm going to click on create channel. This is how you can create as many channels as you like. I'm going to create a text channel, and this one is known as giveaways. So giveaways, and it's going to be an open. Click on create channel and it will be created. Then we have voice channels. In voice channel, again, I'm going to click on create, select voice, give your channel a name. Let's call it launch discussion. Click on create channel and it will be created right here. So we have some of the channels. Now I'll take you to the settings. Simply click right here and we're going to click on server settings. So here in settings, you can go to the overview and check out your different, settings, such as send a message when someone boosts the server, send helpful tips for server setups. Then we have this one, send a random welcome message when someone joins. So I want all of these things, so I have selected them. Then we can go to the roles and we can assign different roles and create different roles as well. So in our NFT community or in our NFT project, if you have a manager, if you have someone, a moderator, so you can just go ahead and create different roles for them here and assign them different tasks and give them different permissions. So that is how it works, and we can manage our NFT Discord server better. Then what I want you guys to do is, these are simple settings that you do for every server, and it's very important. So you can check out the integrations, you can go to the widgets as well. Go to the moderation and go to the safety setup. So in safety, we have if you want the verification. So in verification, I'm gonna go with high, must also be a member of this server for longer than 10 minutes, and then we have must have a verified phone on their Discord account. So we can go with a verification, which is going to be the highest. Then we have don't scan any media content. Scan media content from members without a role. Scan media content from all members. So I do not want to scan any kind of media that is being sent to my group. So that is okay. So this is really important for the safety of the group. And I'm going to click on save changes. Then we have enable community option. So enable community means that I can actually build my own community, and what I can do is I can grow and also keep my members engaged. So these are the different settings that we do. Go to the user management, and in members you will be able to see all the members that you have. So these are our server settings that we get on our Discord. So we have different, when it comes to creating an NFT Discord server, it's basic server that we create. Now the important part is adding different bots that will actually help us organize our Discord server better. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you can simply go to top.gg and you will get right here. So this is actually a tutorial for beginners. If you have no idea how to create a good NFT server, then this is for you. So you can see we created different channels. I showed you the settings. Now we'll move on to the bots. So go to top.gg, and what you can do is you can actually make your work really easy and just search for NFT. Once you do that, you will actually get a lot of different bots that are available. For example, NFT whitelist wallet box. Then we have NFT wallet trackers, NFT stats and info bots, NFT mint bot, crypto and NFT realm. So these are the different bots that actually process, and they are created for NFT Discord servers. So these are really important, and this is what is the most important part when it comes to creating a Discord server for NFT collection. So I'm gonna add this one. Just select it, and I'll show you how to add a bot to a Discord server. Click on invite, add your server name, click on continue, and then click on authorize, and the bot will be added to your Discord server. Similarly, you can see we have welcome and rules, so you can select this one, and what you can do is you can actually create and edit a channel and create a private channel. So simply go to the permission, and you can just say that no one has the permission to send a message in this channel, and you will be able to then just add a set of rule, and just create them and pin your message right here in this channel. So whenever somebody gets to your server, and we also did a setting in which if you have a verified account on Discord, only then you will be able to join my NFT server. And that's what a lot of Discord servers do, and we can also create our own verification, but that's into like more and more personalized Discord server. But this is like the basic server you can create for your NFT project. I already have one. You can see this one. So it also has like a basic boats and we have different channels created, and you can also get inspiration from other Discord servers for NFTs, you can see, and you will be able to invite people too. So you can just like click and invite different members that you find in these groups, and this way you will be able to grow your community. But this is how you can create a very basic NFT Discord server for free on Discord in just 10 minutes or 5 minutes, because it literally takes no time. All you need to do is just create different channels, and then go to the settings and customize the permission and roles, and then add your favorite bots to your Discord server to grow your NFT community. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.